Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you will Coinbase ever text or call you. Here's what you need to know. Coinbase may send legitimate text messages or emails for things like login verification, security alerts, or account notifications. However, Coinbase will never call you out of the blue asking for your password, two-factor authentication codes, or recovery phrase. If someone claims to be from Coinbase and asks for sensitive information or tells you to transfer your crypto, it's almost certainly a scam. If you're unsure whether a message is real, don't click any links. Instead, open the Coinbase app or visit the official website directly and contact Coinbase support through official channels. That's it. Stay alert and never share your passwords, verification codes, or recovery phrase with anyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Coinbase security tips.